अंतरराष्ट्रीय शांतिकाय दिसा निमतान बेरेस्तारा पणजेन पीपल्स फॉर द एथिकल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एनिमल्स इंडियान मनयलो. आपल्या शरीराक कुल्लेचो भेस घेवन रंगयले. कुल्लेकय त्रास जाता. जेवणान हुमण करतना तांचे पांय मोडटात तेन्ना तांकांय वेदना जातात. निदान शांतिकाय दिसा निमतान तरी शिवराक घेवन उदकांतल्या जंतूंचेर अत्याचार जाता तो बंद करचो असो संदेश पीपल्स फॉर द एथिकल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एनिमल्सचे राधिका सूर्यवंशीन दिलो.
Today, in advance of International Day of Peace, we are here in Panjim to encourage the public to opt for vegan options. International Day of Peace is supposed to be celebrated, the idea of non-violence. So crabs usually are are eaten. They first of all they are either boiled alive or their legs are broken apart while they are still alive. So all of these things are painful. A lot of people are not aware about how painful it is for crabs, because these animals like us have an anatomy that consists of the feeling of pain, the feeling of sadness, and all of this has been proved. They are intellectual animals, and then when these things happen to them, it causes pain. So International Day of Peace is something that we want to encourage the public to try vegan options instead of opting for opting to harm animals, opting to break their legs apart while they're still alive, opting to boil them alive. So yes, today in advance of International Day of Peace, PETA India is in Panjim to encourage the public to go vegan.
Here to urge the people of Goa to try vegan food. I have dressed up as a crab today to sensitize the people towards the sufferings that crabs undergo. The way their legs are pulled apart, crabs are really sensitive animals, and it is our duty to save the planet and to make sure that every animal is taken care of, whether small or big. So I have turned vegan for the love of animals. I plead and urge to the people of Goa to try vegan. It is just like every animal feels. It feels pains. We all have feelings. We all have the a tendency to feel pain and suffering. So just because crabs cannot talk and express the feelings does not mean that humans have any right to misuse them as food.